beautiful people. Welcome back to a beautiful evening in the garden. Tonight we're going to play with something really, really fun. One of my favorite things to do. This is an ornament from Pour Away Fluid Arts. They do these very, very cool resin templates, for lack of a better word, but they're really, really neat. This one is in the shape of an ornament for the holidays. It's got a little hook to hang it up on to be kind of like a sun catcher, and they're really, really beautiful. I've done a couple of these before. I did one that was a jewel tree and one that was a swirl for Hanukkah. It was really, really beautiful. But we're going to play with this tonight, and we're going to use some resin. I am using Art Resin, which I really like because it doesn't smell, which is awesome. I'm also using some amazing this little Piggy Pigments with resin, which is my favorite way to use Piggies. This one is TLP Tail Feather. This is actually the first Piggy that I ever got, and I absolutely love it still. It is gorgeous. This is the Art Resin mixed and then Tail Feather. Okay, and then the next one we're using is Limeade, which is really, really pretty. Very pale, pale green. Very sparkly and pearly, kind of metallic. Very pretty stuff. So this is Limeade. I really like this one a lot. Okay, then we have TLP Sapphire, which is one of my favorites ever. Because look at that, I mean, is there a question ever why? No, there's no question. Okay, that's Sapphire. This one is Macaw, which I haven't actually used before, but I'm excited about. I think it has a pretty pearly, iridescent, kind of pale green shift to it that I'm seeing now in the light, so looking forward to this one. This is Macaw. And the last one is Billabong, which is very, very pretty. Billabong, right? Yeah, Billabong. So this is beautiful. Okay, so you can find all this little Piggy Pigments at www.fluid-art.co, and you can go from there. So this is the ornament we're going to be doing. I do have some more little cups because I want to pinch the tip of the cup and have very little bit come out at a time, and I think I have those two full. So the color that I want to start with, let's put your glasses on, for these center flowers, these three big ones, those are the ones I want to do first. I think I want to do those in Macaw. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of this directly in this cup, much smaller amount, so it's easier to control, and I have a little stick with a flat end and a sharp end. Okay, here we go. Are you ready, HOA? We're going to do this big one first.
Yes, mother.
Now, HOA, the last time I did this, gave me a great suggestion to pour some in and then let it spread out before I start trying to move it around. And it was a very good suggestion. See, we might have too much right there, so just pour a little and wait.
Waiting is not your strong suit, my love.
We are being patient. That's going to be really pretty. It's going to look like mother of pearl. Okay. All right. See, now that one, they filled themselves in. Just going to go this one right there, just a tiny bit. HOA is one of those annoyingly smart people. Is right about a lot of things. Thank you, darling. I love you.
I love you more than life itself.
Okay, so that's really pretty. I'm excited about that. Let's do the other one. Pouring less now because this is a smaller flower. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm excited. Yay! There's a couple of these that look like they could use just a drop more. It's not really that full. That's good. As always, whenever you're working with resin, you want to have baby wipes nearby. They are your friend and will help you. Okay, last big one. Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
One of the things that I had talked about in the last video that we did with these was
You know, some people commented, oh, they're really pretty, but that takes a long time, and I don't have that kind of time. You could definitely do this in parts. You know, mix up one color of resin and do that one color and then let it dry, and then the next time you have time, mix up another color. So you don't have to do it all at once. And I think this is actually really relaxing and beautiful, and it's nice to create something, and it's nice to be able to walk away and come back to it when you want to. See, that's awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna add another drop to this one, and maybe the one next to it. Okay, let's go this one.
Okay. All right. So now I need to decide what colors I want to go around this, and I really want to use the Limeade next. So I'm going to get another little cup. I'm going to pour some in here. Okay. And I think I want to put this in one or two of these bigger ones. Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Let's switch colors. Let's get into Billabong for a little bit. Okay. Try a few ones. Let's do some bigger ones first. Let's do some tail feather now. And we still have to do the sapphire. Whew. Okay. So, here we go.
I don't know if y'all can see, but Mina didn't mention it, but these those walls are 3D printed,
Oh, yeah.
which is a really cool use of the technology. I think he's an amazing innovator. It's really cool.
It's awesome. He's got so many designs on his website. Really cool guy. I've met some of the coolest people through fluid art. Alright, let's get some sapphire going in here.
Are you going to flood the area between them?
No.
I thought you were going to.
No. See, this is still really warm, so it's got a lot of working time left, which is really nice. That's another thing that's great about the art resin. Okay, we're gonna pour a couple of these bigger ones. Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
I think that works the best when I have my finger there to catch it. I think I want to put some more Macaw in there. do you think?
Yup.
I'm just gonna do like a drop or two. Eee, too much. What color do you think we should put in there now? Or do you want to see more
I'd
of
probably do more of the
light green?
lime green, yeah. Lemonade, is it?
Limeade. There's just a couple other little ones, and I think I want to do just a little tail feather. Okay,
I have a cool idea that would probably work.
Is that all of them? Yes.
What's your cool idea?
You stick the pointy end in the sapphire.
Swirl the colors.
And then just drag like a line along this
You were
part.
gonna say that.
Try it on a small one. I think I'm cool on the big one. No?
I don't think I like it.
No.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Whew, we are actually done. I'm happy with this. That took a little while, but I think it's very, very pretty, and I'm excited to see this when it's completely dry. So this is kind of awesome. Okay, so we had Macaw and Limeade and Tail Feather and Sapphire and Billabong. Yeah, 5 of them.
Can you push it towards me by a foot?
The Billabong is beautiful. Looks like turquoise, Persian turquoise. That's really cool. I really like that. That's beautiful. So that's our holiday ornament. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. You can find more of these templates from Pour Away Fluid Arts at their website. And if you talk to Johnny, tell him I said hi. We will be back when this is dry tomorrow. Okay, so here we are with our dried results. This is a couple of days later, but this was fully cured 24 hours after we poured it. This came out so pretty. I am so pleased with this. I love that macaw and those big flowers. I really, really like these templates from Pour Away Fluid Arts. I think that color on the 3D printed part is so pretty, that coppery color. with all of these beautiful colors, these beautiful Piggies. These are some of my favorite ones. We have the TLP Sapphire in there. We have Tail Feather. We have Billabong. We have Limeade. Just beautiful. And Macaw is the whitish looking one. So this came out so pretty. Huge thanks to Johnny from Pour Away Fluid Arts. Please go check out their website because they have some really, really fun templates to play with. And thank you to this little piggy. If you're looking to find this little piggy pigments, you can find them at fluid-art.co if you're in the States. And if you are in Europe, I believe Shelly has a website also, which I will put on the screen for you. So if that's in the UK. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And you check out Pour Away Fluid Arts because they have some really, really fun, awesome templates that are not hard to use. This one was already on the backing, so all I literally had to do was fill it up. So this was awesome. Thanks so much for being here. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week and are getting ready for the holidays, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.